Alright, this is a tutorial to show you how to get rid of your Mohaa taunts. And if you're in the server and there's this just fucking guy just spamming the shit out of his taunts and you want to shut the fuck up, well, you can stop that by just deleting a simple folder or moving it out of your Mohaa. Well, I'm gonna show you what to do, but I have everything written down right there. If you want to just do it step by step right there, but I'll do it right here. Right click on your Mohaa, properties, open file location, main, sound, dialogue, and then on the bottom you'll see this folder multiplayer. You pull that out. I put it on my desktop because I mean spamming really isn't annoying to me, but a lot of people, it really gets on their nerves. You can either save it, delete it, or whatever you want to do, but I prefer you just save it. And well, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.